Excellency Thomas Schulze, he happens to be GPCCI's patron also. So he is present with us on all our meetings. So because of them, GPCCI is really flourishing. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you.
Again. And we have a lot of support from German Consulate and Embassy when it takes to our members' issues, taking our members' issues. So I don't want to speak more about GPCCI because GPCCI is like any other forum, like Japan Forum or other forums which we have, and the primary purpose of these institutions is to develop and further the trade and commerce between the two countries, of course. But today is a very special day when we are here because Mr. Imtiaz is our founding member. This company is our founding member, and I'm very happy to be here with him.
Thank you.
And he is no ordinary member of GPCCI. He is a member who is always working and contributing towards indigenizing industry in Pakistan, and everybody knows that. And his contribution goes back about 50 years or something like so. It is always an honor to be in his presence, sitting with him, learning from him. He is a thinker, writer, everything. I can go on and on. Yes, under the current circumstances, the global circumstances where the new organization is a perfect chaos, and that is probably going to be staying there. His vision was that Pakistan should be self-sufficient in engineering, and now that every country is setting its own field to survive, yeah? Because we know what's happening. Whether it will be long-lived or short-lived, we don't know yet. But yes, everybody knows what's going on. So, under these circumstances, I think the Rastgar's contribution towards whatever they can is immense, and GPCCI is always there to support its members, and we do networking sessions. Tomorrow also there is a networking session, probably you know it, and we try and do this service to our members. It is always, we have more than 100 members and counting, so it's nice. And the best thing is that we have a very, very big support from the ambassador in Islamabad, and of course our immediate contact is His Excellency Mr. Thomas Schulze and the entire consulate. I am not showing the entire consulate is very, very supportive to the cause of GPCCI. And of course, GPCCI started as a forum. It then morphed into different names, and we are going to morph into something new in due course of time. He knows what we are doing. So that's all from my side, and I would like to thank all of you for listening to me. And once again, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
You said the compressor runs into your blood. For that, it has to be Nino, and Nino is here. So nanotechnology can only do that. Okay?
Nanotechnology.
So, nanotechnology and Nino is here. Anyway, so thank you very much again, and thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.